Ever feel like board exam preparation is an uphill battle? The syllabus appears vast and time is ticking away. Every student experiences these struggles. Between school, work, and extracurriculars, finding study hours feels difficult. Staying focused in a world full of distractions is another hurdle. The approaching board exam brings stress and anxiety, often hindering effective study. This fear of failure can be paralyzing. These issues are common among students. They're part of the board exam experience. But what if there was a way to make this process a bit easier? Imagine breaking down your review into simple, manageable steps. Studying for board exams can seem overwhelming, but let's consider it as a multitude of pebbles instead of a monolith. These are small, achievable tasks that we can handle one by one. This method makes the immense task seem less daunting. What are its benefits? First, it reduces stress. Instead of confronting a mountain of information, you have a series of manageable tasks. This improves focus, as you're not overwhelmed by the volume you need to learn. You can tackle each piece more efficiently by breaking your study material into smaller chunks. You can focus on memorizing one topic at a time, not juggling multiple subjects. Now, consider creating a study schedule. Dedicate specific hours each day to review or assign each day to a different subject. Another approach is one subject at a time, spending a week on biology before moving to chemistry. This method allows for deeper comprehension of the material. And remember, it's crucial to take breaks in between study sessions. These breaks let your brain rest and process the information. This could be as simple as taking a 15-minute walk or listening to your favorite music. Now you might be thinking, great, but how do I start? Starting the review process might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Like climbing a mountain, you can't reach the top instantly. Your first step? Pinpoint your most challenging subject, your Everest. This becomes your starting point. Now, assemble your resources, your gear. Dive into your notes, textbooks, and other resources. Familiarize yourself with these materials. When you hit a rough patch, don't be shy to ask for assistance. Your teachers, your classmates, they'll guide you. Always remember, consistency and discipline are the foundations of a successful review. Like a seasoned mountaineer, take it one step at a time and you'll conquer your Everest. So we've discussed the struggles of board exam preparation and how to make the review process less overwhelming. It's a mountain to climb, but remember, one step at a time. We acknowledged feeling overwhelmed and anxious. That's normal. You're not alone. We then simplified the review process, splitting it into manageable steps, mentioning a study schedule, tackling the hardest subjects first, and regular breaks to stay fresh. The key is to begin with most challenging subject, similar to eating the frog first thing every day. That's the hardest part. Everything else is easier. Remember, with the right approach and mindset, you can conquer any board exam. Good luck!